What's going on, guys? So I kind of want to make a video for everyone, for day traders and scalpers specifically. So as a day trader and a scalper, especially if you're a newer trader, anytime the market has any sort of bounce, a lot of people get FOMO. A lot of people feel like, oh, they're missing out. This is the bottom. I need to be buying in. I need to, I need to chase this move. Guys, I'm going to use NVIDIA as a prime example. This is a daily chart. Let's take a look at this daily chart and tell me realistically what is screaming that we need to buy NVIDIA here. Okay? What screams to you that the little 2-3 hour bounce that we had here is screaming to you, telling you that you're missing any type of move? Does this chart look like it's ready to break out? Does this chart look like you're missing out on something? Does this chart look like if you didn't take a trade on Nvidia today that you're a bad trader? Take a look at this chart. This is a daily time frame. We are below the 5 and 10 day moving average. So if we take a look at let's say a 5 minute time frame, right? And we just kind of look at today's action. So here's where we opened down here. We had a nice pop. We had a little back test. We had some choppiness. We ramp up. If you're looking at just Nvidia and just today and just the 5 minute time frame, you're going to be thinking to yourself, "Oh my God, I missed out on a trade. Oh my God, I could have made so much money." Maybe you could have, maybe you didn't, right? The point I'm trying to make here is you could have got long here. You could have, took this for a couple of points. You could have held too long. You could have gotten stopped out. You could have got back in here, got stopped out. You could have got back in here, made a little bit of money. You could have not taken the trade at all and keep telling yourself now that you've missed out on, a great day to trade Nvidia. But if you kind of just rewind a second, take a deep breath and relax, you will see here that Nvidia's chart on a daily time frame, nothing is screaming that you've missed anything. Nothing is screaming out that if you didn't take a trade on Nvidia today, you're going to lose money. Guys, we're still below the 5 and 10 day moving average. Nvidia doesn't even look like it has room to run until it gets over 171. Over 171 does have room into the 20-day moving average of 182. There's a 10-point range there as soon as we get over the 5 and 10-day moving average. Now, is there opportunity to take a trade there for a potential dead cat bounce, whether it's a multi-day, multi-week bounce, whatever NVIDIA wants to do? Yes. But buying down here almost at the lows that we've put in at 155, obviously Friday's lows were a little bit higher than that at 157. We're stuck in between Friday's lows and the 5 and 10 day moving average. So even if Nvidia bounces a couple more points today and you miss that trade, or you decide not to take that trade just because you feel like it's too late, did you really miss out on anything? Absolutely not, guys. So kind of sometimes when you're looking to play charts and you feel like you've missed out on a move, take a step back, take a deep breath, look at the daily chart, look at the 1 hour chart, look at the 4 hour chart. Are you really missing out on any type of breakdown? This NVIDIA chart, this is just showing us the last 2 months worth of data here, every candlestick representing one day's worth of data. This chart looks absolutely disgusting. There's nothing here telling me that NVIDIA is going back to all-time highs anytime soon. There's nothing telling me here that, we've missed out on a great trade. Here are the next two trades for you to potentially look at to the long side if you're a long biased trader. That's over the 5 and 10 day moving average at 171. You do have room into 182. The bigger trade there is 182. Any close over 182 would put you back over the 20-day moving average. We have not reclaimed the 20-day moving average since we lost it, and that's going back almost 2 months now. The last time we lost the 20-day moving average was going back here to April the 5th, guys. We have not reclaimed this purple line, which is the 20-day moving average, since April the 5th. So if we just kind of take a look and put things into perspective, what's our big macro trade, especially if you're an options trader, especially if you're someone who likes to swing? You want to get a close over 182. You want to take the confirmation when we break the highs of 182, and that we have room to run to 200 to 205, my friends. We're going to use the 20-day moving average on a daily close as our stop, and this is the range that you really want to be playing. What's the smaller range? The smaller range is going to be any break in close over the 5 and 10-day moving average, and that right now that price is sitting at around $171, $172. Until we break that and close over that, we really don't have any room to the downside. Stocks are going to be choppy. There is going to be messy price action. Things are going to go higher. You're going to feel like you're missing out. You're going to get in. Things are going to pull back. You're going to get stopped out. You're going to go short. You're going to get stopped out. Things are going to move higher. Until we get over supply, that's telling you we have room to run. Right now, Nvidia stock on the daily time frame looks like shit. Right now, nothing is telling me on Nvidia that if I miss a trade, a scalp on Nvidia, that I've missed out on the bottom. Nothing here is telling me that. Nothing here should be telling you guys that. You guys need to take a look at the bigger picture and kind of just relax a little bit. Understand that it's not just about this one trade. It's about the next 1,000 trades you guys take. It's not just about what's happening today. It's about what's going on tomorrow, and then the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day. I hope this video helps. Hope this video helps kind of settle you guys down a little bit, kind of put things into perspective. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys enjoy technical analysis and you're a day trader or an options trader or any type of scalper, definitely give my YouTube channel a subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.